Okay, so this is how to back up your system data of your SilVerTek. So first you need to open and run SilVerTek, click the icon, and then right click, then click on Run as Administrator. Wait for a few seconds. After clicking yes, this one, it will be open. And then you have to go to the icon here on the right side, and then you have to click on Backup and Restore. Click on that, and then here we have a checklist for the data that we need to back up. So we have classes included, question bank, flashcard, pick a puzzle, word plays, word hunts, forums, and many others. And here I also have the different backups that is on the list. Okay, so since we are going to create a backup, we need to create first a folder. So for example, in my case, I will create a folder here for my backups. So right click, click on new, and then folder, and you have to name your folder. In my case, in this example, I will name this SilVerTek Backup May 2024. So I included the month and the year, so I would know the date of this backup. Then go back to SilVerTek, and then click on the button here that says create backup. Click on that, and it will take some times. Now it depends on your usage of SilVerTek. If you have previously created some test questions for quarterly exams, like you added some images or any videos, any links, so that would be included for the backup. So you don't have to worry about losing any data or files or the JSON files upon doing this, because it is doing its job to back up all of your system data. So you can see there is a progress going on, so we need to wait until it's done. But my advice is, if you hadn't made any of this, like forums, word hunts, word plays, pick a puzzle, flashcards, if you haven't made any of them, you can uncheck this so you can speed up the backup process of your SilVerTek. In your version of your SilVerTek, maybe it's different, because here I'm having a version of 30.01. So there is a new version of SilVerTek which is 30.02 Arena. So I did this backup to save my files that I have been working on this SilVerTek. Okay, so SilVerTek has done the process of creating a backup of your SilVerTek. Now it's asking where would you want to save your backup files. So I have made a folder on my desktop, so I will choose that folder, this one that I have made earlier. So click on that, double click, and then if you want to rename your file name, in my case I don't want to rename the backup file, so I just leave it and then click on save. So now let us check if the backup file has been saved. And yes, we have here our backup. Thank you.